Hello everyone, today is May 18th, 2019. I'm headed to ⁴ Broadway right now. Neistat Studio. Right now David Dobrik has a pop-up shop there, and it's rumored to be drawing a lot of large crowds to the studio. So let's go check it out. This is the Canal Street station. I'm getting off at the south side of Broadway because that's where the studio is. Right now it's about 12 o'clock p.m. I just made a right turn onto Broadway.
My phone was doing the emergency thing.
Weather is mostly sunny. It is around 68 degrees Fahrenheit. ⁴ is on the other side of the street. Many people are out now because the weather just got warmer. And I actually see NYPD up on the next block, which is kind of interesting. This event's drawing such a big crowd, and I'm not even there yet. So actually, I'm going to cross to the other side of the street because it looks like that side of the street's very busy. I just want to take a look. Nobody's going anywhere here, so I'll just cross the street now. This is unbelievable. So here we are across the street from ⁴ Neistat Studio and the David Dobrik Pop-Up. Now I'm going to walk the line and see how long this line is. So I'm actually going to cross the street here. I did see an Instagram post that the line was 2 miles long, so let's see how long this line is. The event goes on until 7 o'clock tonight, and it's going to be here tomorrow as well from 11 to 7. Look at all these happy people. So this is already 1 block. I'm at ⁴ Alley now.
Sign up.
I went to that one. He's like,
I don't think I'll be able to walk down the street this way. So, excuse me? NYPD has this place completely locked down. So now I'm at Lafayette Street. That's 2 blocks. It's turning the corner now. So now this is Franklin Street, 3 blocks long. Now I pass ⁴ Alley again. Now that's 4 blocks long. Now I'm at Broadway, so that's 5 blocks. So I believe that's the start of the line there on Cortland. So That makes it 6 blocks.
Probably different. Because last time I went.
Well, I think that's the whole line. 6 blocks long, everybody, to get into ⁴ Broadway. What's up? I'm not waiting on this line. It's too crazy. Yeah, David Dobrik. Six blocks long. It goes around that way, comes back around, comes up here, and then goes down there. All right, everyone. That's the line and the chaos for ⁴ Hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.